Hello, my lovelies. This is Leanne from Resin Shine Creations. I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I am going to show you how I make coasters from epoxy resin. And I am using this fabulous mold from Molds and Shapes. And my resin for today is Just For You Online UK, and it is with the purple label. So first things first, when I started this video, like right now, I had an idea what I will achieve at the end. So this is the look what I was hoping to get when I started this project. Anyhow, it didn't really happen. So yeah. Anyway, I will talk about this red and white coaster for a while, and then we're gonna flip it all around and go with a plan B. So for these coasters, I am dividing my resin in 3 equal parts. One is going to be color. In this case, I chose blue. The next one is for white color. And then we have transparent left, and all 3 are equal parts. And here I am just measuring everything out, dividing, and gonna add the colors. This video shows just that not every time we are gonna get the perfect result, or everybody make mistakes and then we need to bit improvise. And to be frank, in the end everything work out and the resin it's not wasted. And that is the most important part, not to waste any materials. So just looking here now, I think, because this blue is very intense, and I think I did add a bit too much than I should have. Or if it's not the blue pigment, then perhaps it could be the resin, because this resin cures quite long time, up to 1.5 hours. You can still work with it. Normally resin working time is about half an hour, 40 minutes, but this has very long. And yeah, we'll never know unless I try it again, because with the red one I used, of course, different brand of resin. So I am weighing out once again resin for each coaster. It's because I want to have equal amount of every color, because the technique for the pouring is half of blue, half of white, half of transparent, and then repeat. So if in one coaster I pour more white and in another more blue, then the effect could be compromised, and that's why I decide to measure, to weigh, and be exact. If you are enjoying this video so far, please click a like. And if you like videos about resin, consider to subscribe. I do upload twice a week, every Wednesday and Friday. Thank you. And now I am adding the last, just a bit of sparkle, silver crushed glass in the center. Because of course I was thinking about my beautiful design, how it's gonna turn out, and from the other side it's going to be a little silver middle. Anyhow, I am going to put some music in the background and I'll be back very shortly. So enjoy and see you in a bit. and this part has been sped up quite a bit so you can see how the resin moves. And after that I cover it and let it to cure. So this is the next day after, and it's time to demold. At this point I am so excited because I imagine how wonderful it's gonna look, and meh, not the effect that I was going for at all. I'm not happy at all how they look. The blue is stunning though. This blue is one of my favorite at the moment. But I know that they don't scream, buy me, get me for your house. So yeah, I'm not sure at that point what I will do. I was thinking at one point make something with cricket and stick it on, and then maybe they would look better. But however, after I decided, and here is a very short clip of that I will use the other side. So I made my silver centers using UV resin, and here I am curing it. And after top coat, here they are, all finished and ready. And honestly, I like them a lot, and I am very happy how they turn out. So if you found this video entertaining and useful, please let me know by leaving comment down below. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye.